Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a trick I just discovered. In MidJourney, you can actually create a custom coloring page from your own pics. Let me show you how. First, you need to log into your MidJourney account. For this video, I'll be using Discord, and this is my private server for this channel. Once you're signed in, you should upload the image you want to use by clicking the plus button. Next, go to the message area and type "Imagine" and click on the pop-up. Now the prompt format is coloring page style, then describe the person in the pic and add white clothing and hair, white background, line art, white, thick lines. Here is the tricky part. Add --cref, then space. Go back to the image and copy the link by clicking on it, then right-click. Then paste the image link and then add --cw50. You can now click enter. To avoid errors, make sure you use the exact format with the spaces. When it's done, you'll get 4 coloring pages that look like the person in the image. It's happening because the cref and CW parameter makes the MidJourney bot copy the facial details of the person. The third one looks really good, but I prefer the fourth one. You shouldn't worry about the gray areas because I'll remove it in Canva. I'll go ahead and upscale it. Then click on the upscaled result and copy the image. The next step is to log into Canva. Make a new design of 1000 by 1000 pixels and click Create, or you can use any image size you like. Once it loads, right-click on the page and select Paste and adjust it to fit the canvas. The last part is to choose the Edit button at the top. Go to the Adjust option. Change this option to foreground so that any edit you make will only affect the image. Now, scroll down to the white. I'm going to increase it to remove the gray color. You can also increase the black to make the lines more pronounced. If you don't get the look you want, you can play around with these options as much as you like. I am happy with the result. It really looks like a pro artist made this sketch. I'll just download the image as a PNG and save it. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make money from this? Well, if you go to Etsy and search custom coloring, you'll see a lot of suggestions, which means people are looking for this service. And as you can see, there are tons of people offering this service for a whole lot of money. You can even create something like this right here.